Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the DrawNote app. To begin, simply open the application and tap to create a brand new canvas. You will then see a variety of drawing tools and a full color palette. Select your favorite pen or brush, and remember you can easily adjust its size from a tiny 1-pixel line to a much wider 20-pixel stroke for perfect precision. Now, let's dive into creating. The pen tool is perfect for writing notes or sketching intricate designs with accuracy. If you need to emphasize key information, grab the marker tool to highlight text in vibrant colors. Don't worry about errors. The eraser tool allows you to quickly fix any part of your drawing, ensuring your notes always look neat and professional. Keeping your notes organized is simple. You can create custom folders to categorize your work by project or topic, making everything easy to find. When you are ready to share, export your notes as a high-quality PDF document or a clear image file. Then, with just a few taps, you can send your work to colleagues or friends through email or your favorite messaging application. For more advanced users, explore the power of layers to build complex drawings, allowing independent editing of elements. Personalize your experience by customizing the toolbar, placing your most used tools, like the ruler or shape guides, right at your fingertips. Finally, always remember to back up your valuable notes to a secure cloud service, ensuring your hard work is always safe.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.